everyone, my name is April and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing these 3 amazing toners from Farmacy Beauty, and I'm hoping that by the end of this video that you will determine which one is the right toner for you. Farmacy Beauty is one of my favorite skincare brands, and one product from them that I cannot live without is the Clearly Clean Cleansing Balm. This product works so effectively in removing stubborn makeup and SPF, leaving my skin so soft, smooth, without stripping away moisture. I am beyond excited when I received this PR package, and it's because I just ran out of toner. It's almost as if Farmacy Beauty just read my mind. So now I'm gonna start to talk about the various toners. The first toner is called the Dark Spot Toner, and it helps to brighten the skin. I really like the fact that this product contains amazing ingredients such as TXA, which is tranexamic acid, to really help reduce hyperpigmentation. It also contains PHA, which is the polyhydroxy acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin. I really like the fact that this comes in a nice, compact, very high quality glass packaging made from recyclable materials. This product has a lightweight, watery texture, and it doesn't contain any harsh scent. I have been using this product over the past 2 days, and so far my skin feels so amazing. If anybody from Farmacy Beauty happens to be watching this video, I'm really hoping that you'd create this toner but add in a nice light citrusy scent just to help give my skin a nice refreshing feeling. So the second toner is called the Honey Milk Hydrating Essence. So this product contains ingredients such as honey, aloe extract, and chamomile to help soothe the skin. It also contains ceramides to help strengthen the skin barrier. It has a milky texture, a texture that's thicker compared to the Dark Spot Toner that we just talked about. If you have extremely dry and dehydrated skin, I highly suggest you to check out this toner because this toner is so nourishing, and it also gives your skin that extra boost of hydration. So if you're the type of person who works out a lot, so you sweat a lot and it leaves your skin feeling dry and dehydrated, then I would suggest you to check out this toner. So the third and final toner is called the Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner. So this toner contains 2% BHA, which is your salicylic acid that really helps to exfoliate the skin, deep cleanses the pores, and control oil production without stripping away moisture. It also contains papaya enzymes, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. So this toner is made specifically for a combination to oily skin. One thing that I'd like to share is during my teenager years, I used to have a lot of acne. And one thing that I learned is I have to be very careful with the skincare products I use. For example, if my facial wash already contains salicylic acid, then I would be extremely careful when I use this product. Sometimes layering products containing the same ingredients can be very bad for your skin, and it might actually increase your skin sensitivity. So when you're using products containing active ingredients, I would suggest testing it out in a small portion of your face. Maybe on your right cheek, test it out. See if the product works well for you, and then if it's okay, then you can start applying it onto your full face. So now I'd like to quickly summarize the 3 toners that I just talked about. So if you have extremely dry and dehydrated skin and you need that extra boost of hydration, then I would go with the Honey Milk Hydrating Essence. So if you have normal skin and you want something that's lightweight, I would go with the Brighten Up Dark Spot Toner. So of the 3 toners, this is my personal favorite, and this is something that I can use every single day without stripping away moisture. It also helps to even out skin tone, and it leaves my skin a nice healthy glow. And finally, if you have combination to oily skin and you need a product to really help cleanse your pores, I would suggest getting the Deep Sweep Toner. This helps to control oil production without stripping away moisture. These products are available for purchase at Sephora or at the Farmacy Beauty website. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye!